Good morning everyone. I noticed all of you that wondering while clocking with Jones Benjamin in the morning and head to our places. I am going to tell you the reason why. Before we get started with today's lesson, we will be understanding about graphic design. I am going to ask you a few questions. The first question is for you. What is a graphic design?
The answer is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in advertisements, magazines, or books.
You get the correct answer. And I'm going to complete our work done, which is pictures and texts. Now, the next question is for anyone. What are the types of graphic design?
There are 7 types of graphic design included: branding design, website design, print design, publishing design, environmental design, and animation design.
You also answered 7 types of graphic design correctly, and because of this, I am going to complete your assignment at the next grading period. Moving on, this next question is going to be for you. If you answered correctly, I am going to complete the assignment by the next grading period in class. However, if you answer incorrectly, nothing happens. So, why did fully understand the world of graphic design that we must break it down into 11 parts?
He decided that we fully understand about the digital, product design, editorial or publishing, lettering or typeface design, and environmental design.
You are also correct. And because of this, you have completed by fully understand about the world of graphic design. What are we going to do during class? Once I understand the question,
we will be learning about animation view and understanding the color, value, and elements.
That's correct. We will be understand about the animation and design with Computer Mac. Because of this, everyone is doing our work for complete the modules. Anyways, I need you to please silence while I am going to buy a snack. I'll be right back in about a few minutes. What is computer animated design?
A computer animated design means computer-aided design is the use of computers to aid in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. CAD software is used to increase the productivity of the designer.
What are the types of graphic design?
Visual identity, marketing, and advertising, user interface, publication, packaging, motion, environmental, art, and illustration.
Who is the most famous graphic designer?
David Carson, Saul Bass, Stefan Sagmeister, Paula Scher, Michael Bierut, Massimo Vignelli, Milton Glaser, and Paul Rand.
What should you use the animation design?
Animation design is the art of creating special effects and other designs for various forms of media, including video games, movies, and even social media posts.
What are the examples of animation?
Traditional, digital 3D, stop motion, clay animation, cutout, sand, typography, and paint on glass are examples of animation.
What are design elements important?
It's because those features are used to enhance the user experience, such as marks or points, lines, shapes, colors, and textures, to name a few.
What are the 12 principles of design?
Contrast, balance, emphasis, proportion, hierarchy, repetition, rhythm, pattern, white space, movement, variety, and unity.
What makes you a good graphic designer?
A great graphic designer must be imaginative, and they must be able to apply that imagination into their work.
What is a graphic design class like?
The graphic design class like over the course of your study in graphic design school, you will master the basics of design and important techniques.
Why do you use animated graphic design?
It's because these employ cinematic effects to help narrate your story and add life to your message.
Alright everyone, I hope you all have great lunch. We are going to understand about the animated design. Now, it's time to continue with the projects you started working on. So I would like you all to turn on your computers and get to work. Anyways, I need you to please silence while doing the assignments during class. Well, I'm back now. We should discuss what project and designers to complete this assignment. What should you create a video?
When you create a video, you need to craft a production plan, showcase your personality, clearly explain your product or service, add both entertaining and informational value, tell a story that engages the customer, and title and promote the video.
That's correct. You understand about to create a video designer to make videos, photos and value. Moving on, this next question is going to be for you. Why is animation important in design?
It's because it acts as mini onboarding. In addition, it can add a layer of delight and fun.
You are also correct. It's because good animation is important, lets us not only unlock meaning in our designs but also provide new models for interaction in general. Now the next question is going to be for anyone. How does the animation help in learning?
Animations that have a cognitive purpose can facilitate learning because they provide more and different information than static graphics.
That's correct. And because of this, I am going to complete your grade about animation help in learning at the next grading period. Anyways, does anyone knows to answer about the use of animation in screen design?
The answer is, the use of animation in screen design is designers can use animation to provide users with context on what they can do on the site or app.
What is the main purpose of the principles of animation?
You also this question correctly about the use of animation in screen design. And for you, it's the main purpose of these principles was to produce an illusion that cartoon characters adhered to the basic laws of physics. And you also this question correctly. I am going to complete your assignments at the next grading period. Anyways, let's see when the bell rings to the end of class. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. It's still, I think when the bell rings.